In this video, we're going to show you how to use the max and min properties, as well as average. I guess we've done that. But I have my test grade, my project grades, my final grades. And if I want to find out what the maximum was and minimum was on each of these tests, projects, or even the final grade, I come here to this cell. So now I'm in F14. So to get the average, I'm going to put in plus average, open parentheses, and I can, type in this number to this number, but essentially I'm just going to highlight all of these. So it's going to give me the average of F3 all the way to F13. And if I put that in, there's my average of those grades. And so I can do the same thing with max. I can do plus max, open parentheses, highlight that entire column, so F3 to F13, hit enter, and the maximum grade was a 96 for my first test. And then I could do the same thing for min, plus min, highlight all of these, close that, and there is my minimum test grade. So the maximum test grade was a 96 on test 1, the minimum was, the lowest grade was a 70, and the average was an 88. And maybe for my average, I want to take that and we'll make it just one decimal place. So now the cool thing here is, again, I can take these three cells, all three of the cells at once, copy, and then I'm going to paste into the next four columns. And if we look, this one now for test 2 is taking the average of G3 through G13 as opposed to F. It's still taking the max of G3 to G13 and the min. And the same thing for each of these others. So my final grade, the average of the final grades is averaging from J3 to J13. The maximum final grade was a 95. And the minimum, again, is taking it from G3 to G17. And if you look up here in formulas, you can insert all different types of functions, auto sums. So if you're looking for a formula, there's a bunch here. There's trig formulas, there's logical formulas, text, financial, max, min, average. We can count numbers. So I'm just showing you a couple of the ones that we're using in environmental engineering, but there's plenty more.